Close calls, flying cargo, and drivers making questionable choices, from trucks versus street signs to last minute stops. Buckle up for this week's chaos on Dashcam Media.
I have it.
Carter.
I have it.
Carter.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the light.
Spokesperson for the Pennsylvania Department of Corrections on Friday told Newsweek that Mangione was being held in a small cell and not in solitary confinement.
Roller coaster till I see the sunrise.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you.
I know they're seizing a bunch of his assets for the defamation case. Remember when he did defamation and slander against these poor people who were working with the ballot box, and he lied about them and acted like they were stealing the election. By the way, this is one of the master...
Very late, because you never called us, right? So, and we kind of looked at it, and they were like, yeah, it's done for today, we're not...
Say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay.
Por eso no te tiene que afectar porque no sucedió antes.
Espero que este no choque, porque se trató de ir, pero no puede ver.
Somebody did something like that.
So this is what it feels like to match wits with someone at your level. What the hell is the catch? It's the feeling of freedom. It's been printed with a key and a kite.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way.
Whoa! What a dumbass! What the fuck is this gonna be doing?
As we welcome the new year, remember the standard. 24/7 to keep you safe and warm, because we know that polar vortexes are right around the corner.
Jesus! Okay, Garmin.
The guy in front of us is...
Stepping up in the jailhouse. Can't go. What are you doing? What was that?
Elijah, you're actually gonna crash. Oh my god.
Whoa.
What the fuck you doing? God damn, bro.
Oh shit.
Teach kids in schools to always be sheep and put themselves before the herd. If there's more money for me, then there's no future I see where the humans survive. We're parasites inside the pet.
Well, we'd never make a deal with a person like that. Look, when you have a chance to solve 50, and you know this guy is never getting out of prison ever again, he will never give answers to families that have been waiting for answers for 20 years. I would do it again.
The fuck you doing?
So, they took the deal, and after 20 years on the case, Sheriff Reichert was going to sit down with Gary Ridgway. Michael Brown of the Green River Task Force remembers their first meeting.
This was a moment that the sheriff had been waiting an awful long time for, and the moment had finally arrived. And you could almost feel it in the air. And here was somebody that he had hunted for so long, and now he stood in front of him in custody.
Give me your paperwork, bro.
Get on the fucking shoulder, man.
Give me your fucking
Get on the shoulder.
It's your hometown hero, Rick Glassman, here to tell you Daddy's coming home. But this time, he's bringing his posse. We're talking October 10th at the... Fill it in, I don't know.
Yeah, fill it in, I don't know what it is either.
Not only will I be featuring, I'm going to go up after him and do a half hour strictly about minorities.
You said that you've been searching, silencing my mind.